Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the antenna in Arc Raiders using a simple step-by-step method. First, you need to find a field depot. These are small brown buildings that look like sheds. They usually have a radar antenna on top and a blue tarp covering part of the roof. Keep an eye out for this design while exploring the map. Some common locations where you can find a field depot include the dam battlegrounds, especially between water towers or electrical stations. You can also check the buried city, usually near the hospital area. These locations increase your chances of finding the antenna quickly. Once you locate the field depot, move around the building and look for a ladder. The ladder is usually placed on the back or side of the structure. Walk up to it and climb to reach the roof. After reaching the top, you will see the antenna. If it is broken, move closer to it until you see the interaction prompt on your screen. On PC, this is usually the E key. Press and hold the key to start repairing the antenna. Make sure you stay alert while repairing because enemies can attack during this time. Once the repair is complete, the antenna will be fixed and the objective will be done. Thanks for watching.